You know, they say that good footage on YouTube isn't good for the car. Please enjoy this episode. Hopefully we can put Pete here to shame. And alright guys, today's episode is all jump test. Big shout out to Brian Stiglick at StigTech for hooking me up with his buddy that had this ramp. Today's episode cost me a couple packs of beer and a couple hours of time, and actually only about 50 or 60 bucks of repair parts. So watch us become RC astronauts today. Welcome back to This Versus That. This is the jump test.
It's amazing, and it's living.
It's just soaking it up, no problem. Oh! We're good. Woo! Yep. So what do you think, Wayne?
This is a blast.
It just goes, and
It's amazing how it flies like a four-wheel drive. It's amazing. You can adjust the air attitude and everything. Twist it left and right. You can go left, you can go right. You can twist it in the air. We can do some pretty crazy stuff with this thing.
yeah, I did a layup earlier on accident. I hit the side of the ramp. It was like,
oh,
and then it came back.
that's amazing.
Oh, no problem. All right, so the Sandcar does a thing. All right, so the Traxxas Sandcar definitely did the thing. It hit that ramp like a champ. All right, let's see if the XR can match its performance. Let's see what's happening. All right, let's try it out. Woo! First backflip.
That was a good one. Perfect.
That was. All right, but I don't think I can see them land from this angle. Let me try this and hope they don't go off screen. Woo! Barely made that one. This one needs.
I don't think that would end well. You know? You had enough time to stop in the middle. I think you ought to change direction and do a backflip. Oh!
Oh, broken.
No.
Alright guys, that was my soldering. That was not the truck. Alright, the Traxxas XRT definitely did the thing. Did some backflips, very first try. Very smooth, very good jumper. Very predictable in the air. Not too overpowered on the brakes. Was able to do some good air adjustment just on the factory settings. But I did put the QS8 connectors on there. So my solder job did come loose. But we still have 2 other trucks to test. So up next is going to be the XMAXX on steroids. And the fans already sound not too happy in this bad boy from just that first jump. Well, here we go. Let's send it. Alright, well it definitely backflips like a champ. It's a little tough with the settings on that ESC because it's got timing that just kicks in after a second. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to do a couple of just hame jumps and then we'll send it. No, it just broke a diff cup. I got some. That's a pretty common issue on these.
Pretty hard landing.
Yeah, it was.
Sailed it.
Alright guys, well. 40-foot double backflip. Definitely did the rear diff cup in. It's an easy fix. I do have the parts. But let's try out this Arrma Kraton. Then I'll do some repair. That really went far. Alright, the Sandcar is down. It seems like it's a spur gear. We'll see later. Down to just the Arrma Kraton. Alright, Wayne's going to be the cameraman so we can zoom in just a little bit.
Good luck with that. Jeez. There goes that new body. Whoa. Dead.
That was just a wheel nut, and the wheel is still attached. Alright, let's keep going, huh?
Okay, I'm gonna get out of the way. And if anybody's wondering about the camber on that car, it don't matter when you're in the air. Uh-oh, here it comes. Nice. There's the wheel.
Guess I should have put a wrench on it.
Yeah, maybe. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what happens when you don't wrench down your wheel nuts.
Well, I guess that's ramp test over. That's the last car standing. And it looks to me like the Arrma Kraton just took everything. Man, the Arrma Kraton won that one for sure, at least as far as the durability. Because really, it was just a nut that came off. If I can find it, I can do some more. But I think that's it for now. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Have a good weekend. Peace. Oh, man.
That thing went flying.
Yep. And it's okay, really. It's the nut's gone. And you know, Amazon sending me those rod ends. Those were $12.
You got it.
All right, guys. Well, we decided to get out a tape measure and try to figure out about how far we're going, and it's looking to be between 35 on the short ones and close to 50 on the long ones. But we're not sure how high they went. But they're at least 30 feet. 25, 30 feet, something like that.
Hard to get up there.
Woo, hard to get up, Wayne. I'll cut that out.
Yeah.
I'll cut it out.